Hi students, in the previous recorded session we've completed the prose and now it's time for the grammar part. Students, you know what are antonyms? What is it? It's just simply nothing but an opposite words. Okay? Opposite words. Example, short, tall, fat, thin, or like that. These are the two or three examples of large, small, or big, small, are very basic examples of these things. You can make antonyms or opposite words by adding prefixes. I already told you what are prefixes, that is affixes. Prefix is nothing but where you add the words before the word, and suffix is nothing but where you add the word after the words. Like prefix and suffix, they don't have their own meaning. Example, I can say TION. We add to the end. Example, exam, examination. See? This is an example of suffix. What if I write the examples of prefix where you add this? Mantle, dismantle. Or you add, see, we are adding the word this to the word mantle. Or you can also say, you can add the word un, you can add the word in. These are three examples of prefixes. Now, they've given in your text few examples that you have to make it. You have to make it antonyms. They've given a word familiar. They've given familiar sight. Familiar sight, and they've given an article. Now you have to make this familiar into antonyms. How will you make it? Where you have to add the word un to the word familiar. It becomes an opposite. And unfamiliar sight. See, the word and means even the article changes because un is a vowel sound. Un is a vowel sound. See, it becomes an unfamiliar sight, or familiar sight and unfamiliar sight. Like that, they have given few examples for you. Let me write the examples. These are the examples. They've given a used towel, a prepared speech, an attentive soldier, a successful attempt, an organized show, a satisfied person. Now, you have to make these words into antonyms. A used towel, a prepared speech, an attentive soldier, a successful attempt, an organized show, a satisfied. When you look at an article, they've given a or an based on whether it takes, like it has a vowel sound or not. Example, P, prepared. P is not a vowel sound. So they've given a. And attentive. They've given a. A is a vowel sound. So they've given here an. That's the difference between why have I used here a or an. As you know, an is nothing but a vowel sound. Like it's an article where it is written before a vowel sound. Now we have to make this into an antonyms. See, you can write, let me write this opposite words. Opposite words are used becomes unused, prepared becomes unprepared, attentive becomes inattentive, successful becomes unsuccessful, organized becomes disorganized, and satisfied becomes unsatisfied. Now you can see I just have used a prefixes here. Un, in, un. This. What have I used it? I have used it prefixes to make this words into this as opposite words. Now, on. you are getting a sound, unsound, u. So it becomes an unused towel. Now the word unprepared, again I am getting a. So it is unprepared speech. Inattentive, an inattentive soldier. It is an unsuccessful attempt. They've given a disorganized show. They've given an unsatisfied person. See, this way you have to insert it articles like an unused, an unprepared, an inattentive, an unsuccessful, a disorganized here, and organized, because a is a vowel sound. So, an unsatisfied person. This way you have to make it antonyms, that is opposite words. Now we shall look into the phonetic words. Let me look into it. Children, in the previous classes also I told you phonetics is nothing but the scientific study of the words, how we pronounce it. So, in the previous sessions, in the previous class, I discussed about monophthongs. Today we shall be dealing about diphthongs. Diphthongs is nothing but a combination of two vowel sounds. Remember, not a combination of two vowel words. It is nothing but vowel sounds. See, vowel sounds. For this, I shall give you an example. See, this E-I, A-I or this O-I doesn't have a proper name. But usually, it is pronounced as, one example, I told you, you have to write this in like this only. An example for this is high. See, high. We are getting here as I sound. It is high. And this as, what is this? J. We are getting the sound as A. So this, see, day. We are getting as two vowel sounds, a plus a bit I, hence it is a diphthong. Day, high, and another word is wise. See, it is Y. We are getting here O as well as I sound. It is nothing but wise. See, it is high. Another example you can give for us, sky. See, we are getting here A plus I sound, sky. And here is day. Or shade. See, A sound, shade. Another example for voice is, you can give an example of moisture. See, moisture, O-I, you will get it for I sound. In this way, you have to learn the words. It is nothing but diphthongs. High, sky. You can also give an example of fly. This day, shade. Made. This voice, moist or moisture, or an example is, for this you can give loiter, loin. See, you have to get here OI sound, here you have to get A sound, here you have to get A plus I sound. Like this is diphthongs, where it is a combination of two vowel sounds. It's combination of two vowel sounds. This you have given the page number 103. Go through that and I hope you understand what diphthongs are. It is very much necessary when you are pronouncing the words. Just like that you cannot, see, you can also give an example for this is flight. See, flight. Here they have given few words here. They have given few words here. This you have to write it in the column this or this or this. This for your homework. And in the next class we shall discuss more about about seeking information which they have prescribed in your textbook. I hope you have understood this. Make sure you understand this one. Monophthongs and diphthongs are most important for your English language, or else the words will be mispronounced and you will not be known how it is pronounced. Hopefully in the next class we shall discuss more about this. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.